Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Immigrate with French. I often receive a question about the kind of keyboard that you will find in the TEF Canada exam. Is it an English keyboard? Is it a French keyboard, which includes all the accent on it, or what it will be like? So first of all, if you book a TEF Canada exam, you can always email your center beforehand to confirm what kind of keyboard it will be like. But if you are not able to get the answer, if the center is serving so many students and they are unable to answer emails in a timely manner, then I'm going to help you with this. So usually in the exam, you will have just an English keyboard, and on the screen you will have the different French letters with the accents. So if you meet a letter with an accent, you have to stop, click on it, choose it from the screen, then it will be added to your text box and you write that way. So you write the normal letters on the keyboard, but if the letter has an accent, you have to pause and choose it. So there is a website that has a keyboard that looks exactly, or that looks quite similar to the keyboard in the exam. So let's take a look. A helpful tool when it comes to preparing for the TEF Canada expression écrite is to practice using the kind of keyboard that you will find in the exam. It will look something like this website. So I'm going to also share this website. It's quite similar in the exam. So you'll have the normal, like you can usually use the letters on your keyboard and write normally, but when you need to write a word that has accent, any type of accent, accent grave, accent circonflexe, accent aigu, then you have to click on the this online keyboard and get it written. So for example, if I want to say that la mer, so then try to find accent grave here to be able to write it like this. So I'll say la mer, par exemple, aime ses enfants. Okay, so this one I just needed accent grave, so I just have to search for it here and find it. However, you need to know something in the exam. I wouldn't say that it's like it in any of that other things. It's just like it in the aspect that you have to stop and find the letter with the accent and click it. However, in the exam, you cannot copy or paste. So if you, for example, if you decide that you want to move one sentence from the first paragraph to the second paragraph or the third paragraph, you have to manually delete it completely and write it again. So you have to consider this in your time. For example, it shouldn't be, in the last few minutes in the exam and then you decide, oh, I'll move this statement from here to here. This is not going to work and you will be losing or wasting time in the exam. So there is no like the copy paste undo features don't work in the exam, but it will be like this. Another great advantage of this website is that even if you make mistakes in writing, it will not highlight anything for you. So if I forget my accent and I, for example, misspell the word, okay, this is not going to highlight any mistakes for me. It's not going to underline it in red, which is the case. Like, this happens when you write on the different Word documents, and many people now have become so used to having the words highlighted, and that's how they know that there is a mistake, and that's only when they fix it. This will not be the case in the exam. You must be able to find your own mistakes. So really train yourself to revise thoroughly, to find your own mistakes, to be able to go to the exam and find your mistakes and say, oh my God, you know what? No, here there is an extra letter. Here I missed an accent. So train yourself to be able to do this yourself. Otherwise, in the exam, you will read it so many times and you will not be able to see your mistakes. So let me know in the comments if you have any more questions related to the keyboard in the French exam. Thanks for watching. Preparing for TEF Canada exam? Subscribe now for more weekly tips.